going to talk about the winning ad campaigns. So these are campaigns, these are ads on TikTok at the moment that are trending, they are doing very well, they are hot. So we'll just wait for it to search. Okay, so these are products at the moment that are selling and advertising very well on TikTok. As we can see, some of the numbers, this light here that can plug into a USB, 17,000 views, so a lot of views. Let's see, again, in here we have a drop down list where we can search the newest products, the oldest products, most shares, most likes. So I'm gonna use an example. I'm gonna go to newest and search. And when I search on here, it should show me the newest TikTok ad campaigns that are doing well. So let's have a look through. Let's try and find an example of something that's doing very well. Okay, perfect. So we have this Lumball here, which is a light up basketball. So again, we've got all the same information as before. We've got the country that it's being advertised in. We've got that it's in sports, when they launched the campaign, and the likes, comments, shares, and views at the bottom here. It's got 4.5 million views. So again, if we click the landing page of this product, we can see that they are selling this product for $60, and this has been reduced from $120. So this is like a sale they're doing. But again, we can use Ali tools. So again, for drop shipping, you can use this to search to find people who are selling this product. Okay, so the product has come up, and we can see that there are many places selling this this ball, this light up basketball. I will click one as an example, and again this should link us to AliExpress, and we can see that this is available for about $13 compared to the $60 markup that we can see on their website. Okay, so let's